Welcome to Michigan Auto and Tire. We are located off of Route 1 in Woodbridge, Virginia, just minutes away from the Stonebridge Plaza and Potomac Mills Mall. For almost 10 years, our business has served thousands of satisfied customers looking for quality auto care at a reasonable price. Located next to Coons Auto and across the street from Lindsay Chevrolet, there is ample parking for your vehicle. As you walk into our welcoming lobby, you'll be greeted with a friendly hello from one of our service managers like Lee and helped quickly. While your vehicle is being cared for, we provide free Wi-Fi, television, magazines, and even coffee and tea while you wait. Michigan Auto and Tire prides ourselves on our friendly customer service before, during, and after your vehicle is cared for. So whether you come in for a basic oil change, tire rotation, wheel alignment, or something more involved like a transmission rebuild or a brake rotor replacement, Michigan Auto and Tire welcomes you as part of their automotive family.